Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you all to the grade 8 e-learning session week 7. This is your mathematics class. Today in unit number 2 we will discuss square roots of numbers. Let's start our lesson. If the square root of a square is equal to a, where a is a natural number, then a is called the square root of a. For example, the square root of 4 is equal to 2, the square root of 16 is 4, the square root of 100 is 10, the square root of 196 is 14, and the square root of 81 is 9. We can find the square root of numbers by two methods. Number 1, by prime factorization. Number 2, by division method. We can use and understand these two methods in exercise 2C, and that exercise is solved and explained in the next video lecture. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am your mathematics teacher. Today we will start exercise 2C. In question number 1, we have to find the square roots of numbers by prime factorization. So in part A, we are given a number 7225. We first factorize this number. First of all, we divide this number by 5. So we get 1445. Again, when we divide this number by 5, we get 289. And then 289 is divided by 17, we get 17, and 17 ones are 17. So we have two pairs of numbers, 5 into 5 and 17 into 17. So 5 from here and 17 from here, they come out from the square root and we get 5 into 17, which is equal to 85. So this is the square root of 7225. Let's see in question number 1 part D, we are given 5, 4, 3, 1, 6, 9. So we factorize this. First of all, we divide this number by 11. We get 49379. So you can do this by your calculator. You can use the calculator. So you divide this number by 11 by using your calculator, you get this. Again, you will divide it by 11, you get 4489. And then when we divide this by 67, we get 67, and then 67 ones are 67. So we have two pairs of numbers, 11 by into 11 and 67 into 67. So we have 11 from here and 67 from here. So when we multiply these two numbers, we get the answer 737. Students, in part E, we are given the number in this form. So first of all, we convert this into the form. How can we? We multiply this number with 1 and then add this number to it. We get 10,000 divided by 9604. So now we can factorize both of these numbers, the number in the numerator and the number in the denominator. We divide both the numbers into the prime factorizations. So we factorize, when we factorize this number 10,000, we get 100 into 100, and when we divide this 9604 by the prime factorization, we get these numbers. So we write 10,000 as 100 into 100 and 9604 as these numbers. These are the numbers we write over here, and then we get 100 from here and 2, 7 and 7 from here. When we multiply this, we get 100 over 98. We divide this by 2, get 50 over 49, which is the answer. In part G, we are given a number in decimal form. So first of all, we remove this decimal by divided by 100. When we remove this decimal, we have after decimal, we have two digits. So we get 11664 divided by 100. Now we can factorize both of these. When we factorize this, we get all these prime factors. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. So we get 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3 from here and 10 from here. We get 108 by 10, and when we divide this by 10 we get 10.8. In part I, we are given 0.009. So we convert this into fraction. We have after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4 means 10,000, 9 over 10,000. Now we take the square root of this. We can write 9 as 3 by 3 and 10,000, 100 into 100. So we have the pairs. 3 from here and 100 from here. We have 3 over 100, which is equal to 0.03. That is the answer. In question number 2, we have to find the square root of numbers by division method. In part A, we are given a number 95481 and we have to find the square root of this number by division method. So how can we find this? Let's start. We put this number over here and we make the pairs of this from the right side. First pair, second, and then we are left with 9. So we multiply 3 with 3, we get 9, and when we subtract we get 0. We drop the next pair 54 over here, and then 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now, if we put any of the number over here, that will be greater than 54. So, we can't divide this number by the greater number. So, we put 0 over here and place 0 over here. So, now we get 60 and here 30. Next, we drop 81 over here. Now, we get 5481 is the number. Now, 60. When we multiply this number by 9, this by 9, we get the same number. So we place 9 over here and 9 over here. So we get 309 as the square root of this number. In part B, we have a long number. First of all, we make the pairs 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. 6 into 6, 36. When we subtract, we get 3. Next pair, 79. Now, 6 plus 6, 12. If we place 3 over here and multiply this whole number by 3, we get 369. We place 3 over here and then here. When we subtract, we get 10. Again we have the position 1, 2, 3. We have to add this number with 3, we get 1 to 6. So 1 to 6, and here we have just 1008. The next pair is dropped. Now, next we again use 0. We place 0 over here and 0 over here, and then move this pair over here. Now we have the complete number 100864. We place 8 over here, and when we multiply this whole number by 8, we get the same number, and then after subtraction there is nothing. So we have the square root of this number 6308. In part B, we are given a number in this form. First of all, we convert this into the form 637 over 44 by multiplying this by this number and then add this number. We get 637 by 44. When we divide this by 44, we get a number in the decimal form. Now we have to find the square root of this number, which is equivalent to this. So we find the square root of this number. So let's start. We have the number, we make the pairs from the right side, we get this 14 over here. So 3 into 3, 9. When we subtract, we get 5. 3 plus 3, 6. And next, we place 8 over here and 8 here. 68 into 8, we get 544. And then we have 3 over here. Next number is 72. Again, 68 plus 8, we get 76. So we use again the 0 over here and 0 and then drop the next one. Now we get the number 37272. 760. We have to place 4 over here and multiply this number by 4. We get the closest number, this, and then on subtraction we get this number. So we have 3.804 over here. So this is square root of this is equal to 3.804, and it is given in the question that we have to find the square root up to 2 decimal places. So we have 3.80 as an answer. In part F, we have 18.69. So we put here 18.69 and we place 0, 0, the next pair 0, 0, 6, 9 and 18. So 4 into 4, 16. We get 2 over here. The next pair is 69. 4 plus 4, 8. We place 3, 83 into 3, 249. And on subtraction, we get 20. The next pair is 0, 0, 83. Plus 3, we get 86. When we multiply this to 2, we get the number, and on subtraction, we get this. So we have 4.32 as the square root of this number.